something that's been around for ages. Since 1954, in fact, it was invented. This is the star of the show. And it's got 0 fat, 365 Greek yogurt. Cut up some delicious peppers. Look at this. Look at how that is. It's like whipped cream. It's very, very good. They used to call it sour cream and onion dip. Oh, at parties, I just could take the plate all by myself and eat it. I love these chips. And any potato chip. My breath, woo! I'll need some breath mints. But I just love it. So, bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi, and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Today I'm making something that's been around for ages. Since 1954, in fact, it was invented. And it was made with sour cream. But today we're going to make it different. And people have used this way too, which I love. But I like this yogurt especially. So come on into my kitchen before I tell you what you need. Grab a cup of coffee. Actually, if you want kids to eat yogurt, get this. This is the star of the show. And it's got 0 fat, 365 Greek yogurt. It is so thick. It's just like, it is like sour cream. You can't really taste the difference. I can't anyway. Especially when you put some onion soup in there. And I love this kind of thing. I've loved this since I was little. I love, California dip. They used to call it sour cream and onion dip. Oh, at parties, I just could take the plate all by myself and eat it, which I don't want to be a pig, but I just love this. And I love this, especially with chips. I love these chips. And any potato chip. But if you want to be healthy, your kids, you peel some, get some wash and dry and cut up some delicious peppers or cucumbers or celery. Ooh, I love celery too. Or, do you ever try these dill pickle chips? They're really good. I always have them in my house because I love dill pickles. I really do. And I love a really good dill pickle. If it's not good, and I like them whole so I can cut them up. Dill pickles and me, woo, I love them. Or you can use tortilla chips. Any one of these are delicious. And there's so many variations to make this. But because I like this a lot, this Greek yogurt, I wanted to share it with you. I just love this dip with anything, and especially potato chips, which I'm going to have. Lots of potato chips. So come on into my kitchen and let's make it. It takes, 5 minutes, not even 2 seconds. Then you have a real healthy dip, and I think your family would like it too. So let's go. Let's make it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this yogurt, this Greek yogurt, and this is 0 fat. And I'm telling you, it's like, look at this. Look at how that is. It's like whipped cream. It's very, very good. And we're going to just add that. And I'm probably going to add that just a little bit because I'm going to taste it now. And I got the French onion soup, simply organic. And we're going to add that to that. And you really have a nice treat. I mean, it's healthy because you have yogurt in there. And maybe your kids don't want to have, you don't want them having sour cream. And you want them to have a healthy snack. So, you just mix this around to your liking. You might want more onion mix. I'll see how that goes. But you want to have it for a healthy treat. You can have it with celery or peppers. You might want to have peppers with it. But I'm going to be a bad girl, and I'm having it with my chips, my organic chips here. And you can have it. I also like the dill pickle chips, or you can have them with tortilla chips. No, let's do that again. This Greek yogurt has 0 fat, and it's very, very thick. And we're going to put that, I put some in there. I'm going to put a little bit more. You see how thick that is? It doesn't even want to come off the spoon. It's great, this yogurt. I don't know how they get it so thick with 0 fat. And you're going to just mix that around. And your kids will love this. You can have this as a treat. I'll put that, set that aside. And I got this French onion soup. And you just want to put that in there to your liking. You know, it's what you like. And I'm going to set that aside. Now you can have that with celery, dip it in celery. Your kids will love that. Or cut some peppers up, and you might want it with peppers. But I'm going to have it with my chips. Or I like these dill pickle chips as well. Sometimes they go with anything. I love these as well. Or tortilla chips. It's your choice. But you know, you kids have a healthy snack, and that's what you're shooting for, to have, or a party or something. They wouldn't know the difference between sour cream or yogurt because it's so delicious. So did you make yours? I mean, it's so easy to make and so delicious. And if you want, you can, I added a lot more onion dip because I really like it oniony. But don't be around me. Don't kiss me because my breath, whoo, I'll need some breath mints. But I just love it. So let's take a taste, okay? Are you ready? I'm sure you made yours. My favorite. Always has been. I love this. And, of course, goes great with coffee. Am I terrible? I am terrible. I'm probably going to eat half that bag of chips with this. I am. Because I'm not shameful. I love my treats. I really do. And I like treats at night. This I like in the afternoon. What about you? You know, or in the evening, you could put it with, you know, different cucumbers, peppers, celery. And then, you know, as I tell your kids, dig in. It's delicious. It is. And they're getting yogurt too, which is what you want, right? So, thanks for stopping in Annie's Angle. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Come again. We'll be cooking up a storm. I love to cook. I love fashion. I'm a fitness instructor. I like crafts. I like everything. But most of all, I like being with you. Because, and you know what? Thank you so much for taking your time to write to me. Write to me and tell me, you know, you like a recipe or what you like or you don't like. It's okay. It's just great that you take your time to do that. I appreciate that. So, thank you for stopping in Annie's Angle. Have a real nice day. Bye for now.